Today we are going to learn about variables in PHP. Variables are used to store the value. The syntax for variable is $symbol and then variable name is equals to value. You can store the string value inside the variable like this. You can also store the integer value inside the variable like this is shown. While defining an integer inside the variable, we do not have to use the inverted commas. There are certain rules to create a variable. It should start with character or underscore. There should be no white space between the variable name. You can separate the variable name with the help of underscore or hyphen symbol. Variables should not start with numbers. There should be no spaces and no special symbol. Variables are case sensitive, which means the uppercase and lowercase both are distinct. Let's do it practically. First we will define the string. As you can see, we got the output. You can see that we can use HTML tags also inside the PHP. Now we will define the same variable name but with uppercase characters. This is an example for that variables are case sensitive. Now we will define an integer inside the variable. As you can see, we got the output successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe.